Here I have Oppo F7 and let me show you how to accomplish here the hard reset operation by using the Oppo settings. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen, find and select here settings, scroll down and choose here the additional settings right here, scroll down again and select backup and reset. From the following options, let's choose the factory data reset. Here let's select erase all content and settings. So if you have the screen lock, you need to enter your password, passcode or something like that. Let me do it. And now let's choose erase data twice to begin the hard reset operation. The device is erasing all personal stuff from the internal storage. Excellent, the welcome panel just pops up, so it means that the hard reset is done. Now you may start to activate your device. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.